What was the, tell me what the problem was.
2 1/8
2 and 1/8.
multiplied by 2/3.
2/3. So this is one of the problems on your assignment. I'm just going to do it real quick. You might not remember, because I think you guys learned this in like second or third grade, but what you need to do is make this what we call an improper fraction. So to make this an improper fraction, I need to multiply the 8 by the whole number, which is 2. That becomes 16. Then I take the 16 and I add it to 1. So 2 and 1/8 is the same as 17 over 8. You guys remember that?
So that just knocks out the 2.
Yeah. Now the reason that we have to do that is because when I go to multiply it, remember when you multiply fractions, you just multiply the top across and the bottom across. So 17 times 2 is 34, and then 8 times 3 is 24. All right. Now this is technically the answer, but we want to see if we could reduce it somehow. So what I need to do, whenever you want to simplify a fraction or leave a fraction in the simplest form, you have to think of the prime numbers, right? And so the prime numbers are 2, 3, 4. No, wait, 4 is not a prime number. 2, 3, 5. Okay, and so on, 7, 11. And I noticed that 2 goes into both of them. So then I go, okay, well, what's 34 divided by 2? And remember with fractions, whatever I do on the top, I have to do to the bottom. So 34 divided by 2 is just 17. What's 24 divided by 2? 12. And that could be the answer, right? Is that one of your multiple choices, or is it a mixed number?
Type it in.
Huh?
Will you say what we put in for the answer?